is show day. Performing at a Halloween party, doing 3X. Super excited, but a little nervous because I haven't been able to train how I want. Because one, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't on my Zoom. But then also, my pole needs to be reinstalled. My bestie said she was gonna come help me yesterday. She did not. But I'm also gonna be relying heavily on just like movement, lip syncing, floor work, because my wrist is still not 100% after chronic. It's like has a lot more mobility, but I'm just nervous about overworking her, especially doing 3X. So we're gonna keep it real cute. But yeah, I'm doing this mask right now. I'm finna wash the dishes, do my usual start of the day shenanigans. I already took care of my plant babies, turned their lights on, humidifiers are going. I was gonna say something. Can't remember. I got a subliminal going for good luck. Dream life subliminal going on because I'm performing tonight. And we gotta have the vibes right. Already started off the day getting Venmo'd some money, so that's a good sign, a good omen. Yeah, it's 11:51 now. I woke up around 11, literally 10:59. Okay, I need to go like do things, and I'll tap back in when it's time for me to like reapply my wig, well, apply a new wig, do my makeup, all of that. I'm gonna show y'all. I packed my bag last night, majority of my bag last night, so I'll show y'all what's in my bag at some point. And yeah, catch y'all on the flip side.
She was just a friend, but I like. She gon' pull up tonight. Give me that shit, cause she what I like. She make me come alive. She fit this day, but not tomorrow. But you know, concern me, shot. She finna fit walk today and bust tomorrow. She could still come find me, shot. I be shake it, want me, baby. Make I know if I no get chance. Cause me, I could dip my mind, busy. No feet, don't see on my cosa. They fit to carry me, yeah. It's never been the same, but totally so. It don't mean that I wanna be there.
So as y'all can see, wig is on. Wig is applied. Looking very good. Not quite giving lace wear, but I mean, like, come on. It's giving scalpish. But yeah, I'm finna eat something because I'm hungry, and then after I eat, I'm going to stretch, and then I'm gonna start my makeup at 4. I'm gonna do my base before I get on TikTok live because they've been distracting me. But I also have to figure out like what I even want to do for my makeup. I have some things saved on Pinterest, so I'm gonna vibe from that. Say hello to my son. I keep looking at myself. I should be looking at y'all. Y'all will see what I eventually decide to do for my makeup. The next time y'all see me, it might be some clips from TikTok live, or it might be once I finish my base. Yeah. Okay, bye. Popping in real quick because I want to show y'all this little like DIY gut health drink that I be making. I love me a sparkling beverage. I'm sorry the lighting is not the best, but y'all are just gonna have to rock with it. Better. It's better a bit. And I started making this drink when I had a different sparkling water, one called Chi, and it doesn't have sugar in it, but it tastes sweet still. That's my preferred one, so then I could do a 0 sugar gut health drink, but I don't have those right now. We're gonna take this bubbly and strawberry. This is my go-to. I usually get the strawberry or the mango. They also have like a strawberry kiwi sunset one. That one tastes like Skittles, very good. So we're gonna take some mango nectar from Trader Joe's. This is what I use for flavor since these sparkling waters literally taste like sparkling water. And then we're gonna take some organic apple cider vinegar. So first we start with the mango nectar. We're just doing a little bit. So like literally, I do like that much mango nectar. And then I'm gonna pour the whole bubbly. I should have put some creatine in this, but who am I kidding? The serving of ACV for this one is 1 tablespoon, but the other one I had said 2, so I used 2. But then we pour that in. And then I did decide that maybe I should put some creatine in it. I'm gonna take a tablespoon of my creatine, or not a tablespoon, a scoop. This is optional. Put that in there. And take the straw, stir that out. I'm ashy, wow. And then I have my little gut health drink. And it needs a little more mango nectar. Yeah, that's my little probiotic drink. Gut health drink. so dusty. So y'all, I'm finna start my makeup. And right before I was finna start, I got a text from one of my boos, and he was like, go outside in 5 minutes. You'll need this, which is like, it was like a code. I go outside, and once again, this man has sent me flowers. He has a gig today, so he's not able to make it. And this is the second time he sent me flowers when I had a gig. And this is a sunflower from when we went sunflower picking last weekend. And it was one that was still doing pretty well, so I just put it in here. He sent me flowers again, and he sent me roses because he asked what kind of flowers I like. And I was like, I love all flowers. I'm definitely a classics girl. I love roses because I love using them when I take baths. But yeah, he sent me flowers again. And I cried a little because it's just wild how you can ask someone for something, or like you can just express that you like something, and then someone just makes it seem like that is the easiest request to fulfill. Like it's nothing. Like, oh, okay. And like the first time he sent me flowers, I'm not gonna lie, that day I was manifesting and hoping that I would get some flowers. Today, I was just vibing. Like, I'm trying to make my rent money tonight. I wasn't even thinking about flowers. So the fact that he sent me flowers again, I'm like, oh, is this about to be a thing? Like I have a performance and you send me flowers? Like, and it just makes me emotional because, not to bring up my ex, but to bring up my ex, I felt like it took her a long time to finally get me flowers. No matter how much I would tell her, I really like flowers. It just took her a long time. And honestly, it wasn't until somebody else that I was dating gave me flowers that she started to give me flowers. And so like sometimes, yes, she would pop up with flowers like on Valentine's Day and stuff. And like eventually it like became sweet. But it's one of those things where like, what am I doing? I'm doing my classic makeup. I'm messing up because I'm so like, we're just gonna put it out. It's one of those things like where you spend so long asking somebody for something, then when they finally do it, it's nice, it's wonderful. But it's hard to forget that the only reason they started doing the thing is because somebody else did the thing for you and they found it like threatening. And to date people where I don't really have to say a thing twice. Like I will, because I am traumatized and I feel like I be needing to repeat myself so people know that I like mean things and I'm serious. But to be dating people who like was like, okay, you like this? Boom. Like boom, there, it's yours. Like it makes me emotional. I'm like, wow, he sent me flowers. Like it just makes me emotional because my past relationship, I was scared to let go of that relationship. I'm not gonna lie. And we're not gonna get into it on here. That's gonna be something that maybe we can unpack behind a paywall. I was very scared to let go of that relationship. Like when God told me I had to let go of that relationship, I was scared. I just couldn't imagine how I was going to live my life without them. Which sounds dramatic, but like when you and someone's life really start to collide, having to unravel the cords that y'all have created together is complicated. Like going out will kind of never be the same for me. I just don't. Or just like the way our families were kind of intertwined. Like that's stuff that's hard to undo. Or just the ways, like there were certain ways I was dependent on them. Just because I don't drive, they do. Certain like rituals that I feel we had together. So the idea of like unraveling those was very scary. But now that I've unraveled them, we've broken up for 5, no contact for 4. And it's just like, I find myself saying like, who knew so much sweetness was waiting for me? And like God knew, which is why God was like, hey, it's time to. But it's like Libra season felt so sweet and life just feels so sweet. Even when it's hard, it feels sweet. I'm gonna cry. It's just a really nice feeling, you know? I'm not gonna keep talking about this because I have to finish my makeup. So I'm gonna leave that here. I'm just grateful. Gratitude and abundance. I'm excited for tonight. I'm feeling so many things. But yeah, wow. He sent me flowers again. So I just want to update y'all real quick because y'all haven't seen me since I was crying over flowers. Base makeup is done, line work is done. Now I'm going to go put face gems over all of this. I'm trying to decide if I just want to use my AB crystals or whatever. I do want to do red gems as well, so I might do both. Question mark, question mark, question mark. And then after that, I'll do my lashes, start getting dressed. I had to go to the dollar store near my house to get lash glue because I wasn't sure I was gonna have enough. I also got some chips, a little snacky. And then they had these gem letters. I kind of want to spell Sapphire down my spine. I could spell the whole Sapphire Slay. I want to spell Sapphire down my spine. So I got 2 packs of these to make that happen. I'm finna get back on live, put face gems on. Time check, it is 5:53, so I'm making good time. I'm leaving my house around like 8:45, so I'm actually making great time. I'm finna wash my hands, eat my snacky, and get back to it. Bye. Yeah. Are you ready to be outside?
Me? Yeah, I'm ready to be outside.
I said, oh, so this is not my final outfit. This is just my I'm outside outfit.
Guess I'm taking you home. So she got a man, I should keep my mouth closed. Maybe I'ma keep it down low. Tell me when you're ready, tell me when you want go. She got the time, she said cut her past two. She bend up her back and she touch on her toes. And she couldn't let go. Then she went for like 20 minutes to the mass 5 songs that's beyond the limit.
Now, put our nails on.
She went for like 20 minutes to the mass 5 songs that's beyond the limit. Oh damn, baby girl I can't believe it. Calm down, don't you know it's me that's handling it? Oh yeah, sleep out. 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 Oh yeah, sleep out.
Let's see how long they stay on. Time to bed. I need a snack. I need people to book me for their parties. This times 10, times 20, infinite. Book me for y'all parties.
Which one be want? Uber or taxi, which one you want? Maybe I'm sorry if I'm too blunt. Telling me